Gulls are carnivorous, seabirds that sit on top of ecosystems that lie nearby the beach. They are easy to spot, especially for their wide body and black feathered wings. This seagull is patrolling the area, relying on his flying skills and a sharp sight when he recognizes the presence of a herd of rabbits. He catches one fat rabbit using his pecking claws. With rising tension, it's not uncommon to see stubborn gulls battling for a helpless prize. The seagull starts swallowing it to avoid any kind of interruption. This reigning predator literally rules the shores from above. The seagull has landed on a gopher that was in the search of seeds. The ground squirrel starts squeaking as he tries to escape. The seabird bites his neck using his peck. And starts swallowing him. Another seagull was trying to blend in with a flock of pigeons that were feeding peacefully on some grains. Suddenly, he captures a pigeon by the neck, takes her to the water, and tries to break her spinal cord. Miraculously, she breaks free of doom and pleased to recover in a safer place. Lucky one. We can hear the seagull squawking after being hooked by a stubborn octopus in the port. He tries to drown him in the water, as the seabird struggles to escape, flapping his wings desperately to take off. A duck approaches, and we can see her trying to find a way to help her fellow bird. The seagull's energy is fading away as the time passes. Getting him closer and closer to drown, that's the cycle of life. Sometimes a predator, sometimes a prey. Thank you for watching the video, take care and subscribe also for our support. Thank you.